Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in. This is required to view subscriptions tied to your account. Once signed in, make sure you have your passcode or Face ID ready because you may need to authenticate. Now open Settings and tap your name at the top. That opens Apple ID options. From there, tap Subscriptions. This is the control center for active and expired subscriptions. You're now at the first actionable screen to manage recurring charges. You should see a list showing active subscriptions at the top and expired ones below. Scroll to find the exact service you want to remove. Tap the subscription to view details like next billing date, price, and available plan options. This tells you why and when charges occur. If you're within a trial or promotional period, note the end date because canceling may immediately remove access. Once you understand the billing terms, choose Cancel Subscription to stop future charges. After tapping Cancel Subscription, follow the on-screen prompts and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to confirm. You will usually retain access until the period ends. If the cancel option is missing, check whether the subscription is billed through a third party or part of family sharing. Ask the family organizer to manage it. If issues persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then revisit subscriptions. That refresh often resolves missing entries and lets you complete the cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.